Now let us do mole concept in terms of the number of particles. Always remember the one basic thing, 1 mole of any substance contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles or entities. It means what? 1 mole of hydrogen, this is molecule, will be having 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. 1 mole of oxygen similarly will be having 6.02 to 10 to the power 23 molecules. 1 mole of helium will be having 6.02 to 10 to the power 23 atoms, and so on. So 1 mole of any substance contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles of that particular substance. This is mole concept in terms of number of particles. Now this simple thing can be given a shape of a formula which will be almost like this, that the number of moles of substance is equal to number of particles upon 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So the moment you divide the number of particles which are given to you by 6.02 10 to the power 23, what you get is the number of moles of that substance. Or if we want to find out the number of particles present in any substance is equal to number of moles of substance into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So the moment you multiply this number, which we also called an Avogadro number, with the number of moles of the substance, what we get is the number of particles present in that particular substance.